Have you ever wanted to make movie theater popcorn and delicious candy nuts at home? Well, look no further than the electric pop and stir. The two unique settings let you make popcorn or candy nuts. They make great snacks for school, family movie nights, and get-togethers. Plus, you can make thoughtful homemade gifts for friends and family all year long. It takes less than 10 minutes for popcorn and less than 15 minutes for nuts. The stirring rod keeps the kernels or nuts moving so everything cooks and gets coated evenly, which means you get better tasting popcorn than you do in the microwave and flavorful nuts without the clumping. The cooking plate heats popcorn or nuts to the right temperatures so they don't burn, and it's removable so it's easy to clean. One of the things I love most is that the lid is also a bowl, so there's no need to dirty another dish. It also lets you add butter to your popcorn as it cooks. And the lid is heat resistant, so it's not prone to cracking like many other popcorn makers. The electric pop and stir comes with an easy to use start guide, so you can make popcorn and candy nuts right away. If you want to have fun with flavor, you can change it up by adding different seasonings. The lid, cap, and cooking plate are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. There's a cord wrap on the bottom of the base, and the base nests in the bowl for compact storage. The electric pop and stir is the perfect addition to your kitchen. All you need to do now is get snacking.